Okay guys, so let me make some profit and show you the exact strategy that I'm using. This is the pocket option 5-second strategy, which is very effective if trades are made in the good place. Okay, and this strategy is very simple. I'll show you everything clearly, but for now I'm trying to find entry point. We missed an entry point, that's fine. So let's find a good entry point so that we can make the trade. So as you can see, I'm not going to make any edits to this video, okay, so that you can understand that this strategy actually works. But yes, I got a entry point at here. Now let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like neither made profit nor made loss, okay. So the strategy was simple. When there was a second dot, I made a trade at there. I'll show you. I need to make profit here, and to so here you can see second dot I form, and this trade if you had made you could have gone in profit. Okay, simply whenever these dots are forming above the candles and this second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower, and whenever the dots are below the candle and the second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. You need to select S5 as your trading time frame at here. If it is black, make sure to click it and select clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. And if it is here you can see the candle, the click on candle and select S5 as your trading time frame. So here you can see there was a second dot, but we made trade a little bit late, okay, but still this trade was going to go wrong, but we made loss in our this first trade. That's not a problem, okay. We need to keep on switching this currency pair to find more entry points. Here you can see here you could have made, so this trade would also have gone in loss. This also had, this would go in profit, okay. So let's try to find out the place where we can make more trades. You can switch currency pair in this easy way. Here you can see, so whenever the second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Let's see what happens. We made profit in this trade. It was a little bit risky, but still we made the profit, okay. So here you can see second dot have formed and this candle could have gone in profit, okay, because it was down and second dot have formed. Let's find out more places where we can make these trades. You don't need to worry, okay? This is a headache-free strategy, you know what I call it. Make sure this 70% payout, these kind of charts are not in your screen, okay? Here you can see second dot have formed and in this candle you could have made profit. But we missed that trade and these things happens. And do like this video, okay? I'm going to show you by making more trades. And as I have told you already, I'm not going to make any edits to this video. So you can see the amount at here and even fast forward if you are feeling lazy to see me scrolling through all of the charts, okay. So second dot here you can see it have formed, but we missed this trade. We could have gone in profit. Now let's try to find out a place where we can make the trade. So you need to keep on switching to find out these kind of places. Sometimes it becomes a little bit hard to find the entry point, okay, but you should do this kind of hard work in order to find the, here you can see here we got a entry point. So let's see what happens in this trade. And we made loss in this trade. Anyways, that's fine. Here you can see 78% payout. Cross it. So let's keep on finding. Second dot I have found, but we missed the trade. So as you can see, the trades that we have missed, there were some profit, okay, but we missed it. And sometimes what happens is like you try to make the trade and you, here you can see here we got a entry point and we'll make the trade at here. Let's wait and see what happens in this trade. As you can see, we made the profit. Second dot have formed and this trade candle went green. Now let's find out more places. Here you can see second dot have formed, but we missed the trade. Let's try to second dot have formed. We missed this trade. You know, sometimes hate this kind of places where we miss the trade. Here also second dot have formed. We missed the trade. Keep on switching until you get The entry point here was the entry point, but this trade could have gone in loss. Here one, sorry, we need to make trade a little bit fast, Second dot I've already found. Okay, so it was a third dot. I think I didn't see this dot, but still we managed to get the profit. Now let's keep on finding. Here you can see second dot I've found and we missed this trade. Why we are missing this much trade today? So let's try to find. Here also second dot I've found and we missed this trade. So let's be ultra fast and try to. Let's go to the start. Okay, maybe we get some entry point at here. So we got a entry point at here. As you can see, second dot I found. Let's see what happens. We are surely going to make profit. Of course, we made the profit. We can keep on switching. Okay, it's sometime like you don't. Here you can see second dot I found, and you could have made profit. So I can keep on switching between this currency pair and keep on making trade. But I think I was able to deliver the overall strategy. I hope it was helpful for you. You can try it in your demo account and then and test it in your real account also.